Hello guys, welcome to the electrical design come site details. If you want to learn electrical design, click on the subscribe button. In this video I am going to teach you how to do select the LCB and MCB wire sizing calculations. Here we can see 1 BHK layout. This is the 1 BHK layout. Now the calculate the total load and after then the circuit breaker selection and wiring size calculation. In this flat load is nearly I am considering 5 kilowatts for 1 BHK according to the state electricity board. Now above 5 kilo in this 5 kilowatts, below 5 kilowatts I am considering single phase, and above 5 kilowatts I am considering three phase according to the NEC standard. NEC standard the means National Electrical Code. Now in this flat consists of three loads: lightning load, raw power load and AC load. We have to know the basic things of lightning load. The loads are less than the 100 watts, like a fluorescent tubes, so CFLs, and ceiling fan, exhaust fan, etc. In lightning circuit, cable size should be 2.5 square mm for copper, and circuit breaker should be 6 amps MCB or fuse. One or more important point is one phase or circuit we can give 800 watts as per NEC standard. NEC means National Electrical Code. One phase or circuit can give maximum number of points is 12. Now then conduit size should be 25 square mm. Now next one is raw power circuit designing. In this raw power circuit design, the loads are which are greater than 100 watts will come under the category of raw power circuit design. In this raw power circuit design is protected by 16 amps circuit breaker, the fuser CB, and the circuit breaker size is allows the sockets with maximum combined 3300 to 3600 watts to run off this circuit, and the circuit breaker for the circuit should be 16 amperes MCB or fuse according to the NEC standard. In this raw power circuit design, 32 amps dipole 30 microamperes, and the conduit size should be 25 mm PVC type, and one phase or circuit we can give the maximum load of 3500 watts, or one phase or one circuit can give the number of points is 3 to 4, and the cable size is maximum should be 4 square mm. The appliances in the raw power circuit design, they are refrigerators, stoves and washing machines, etc. In this lightning, here see in this drawing, the lightning circuit, in the lightning circuit you have to consider Here we can see lighting circuit. Lightning load for living plus kitchen. Fluorescent tubes. Consider 2 points. 2 into 18 watts. Wall bracket fans. This is a wall bracket fans. 3 into 15, and ceiling fans are consider 2 fans, one for living room, one for kitchen, and exhaust fan is for the kitchen room. Total the load will be 341 watts, and I have to convert kilowatts 0.341. To selection of the circuit breaker in single phase, I have to multiply 6, and 3 phase I have to multiply 8. I will discuss about later how it will came about 6. I will discuss next class. And first we have to consider 6 amps MCB for lightning circuits, and the cable size should be NEC standard 2.5 square mm. Here see. Here one. This is a one circuit can give 12 points. Here see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have to maximum 12 points we have to given. Now second one is lightning circuits for TV DT in living room, kitchen, TV, DTS speakers, chargers, points, etc. Living plus kitchen. Consider 5 into 100 watts. We will get 500 watts. 0.5 into multiplied with the 6 amps. We will get 30. We have to lightning circuit 6 amps MCB selected. Here see, I'm considering 6 points. Here TV, DTH, laptop, charger, etc. we are using. And the second step is completed, and now the third step is raw power load for living room plus kitchen room. In living room, kitchen room, we have in the kitchen room mixie, refrigerator, microwave oven, cooker available in this kitchen. The loads are in the mixie 400 watts, refrigerator 200, microwave 500, cooker 200. The total will 1300 watts. To multiply it with 1.6 into 6, we will get 7.2 amps. We have to consider 16 amps single pole MCB in the raw power circuit designing according to the NEC standard. We have to consider 16 amps MCB. Cable sizes should be National Electrical Standard 4 square mm. We can use same as lightning load for bedroom plus toilet plus balcony. I'm considering balcony. This is a bedroom. This is a bathroom plus WC. I'm considering these same as fluorescent tubes 1 into 18. We will get how much load? 263 watts. The multiplied with a single phase with 6, we will get 1.2. We have considered single phase MCB. Cable size should be the NEC standard 2.5 square mm. We will use in the raw power load for toilet. In this toilet we are using geyser and sockets for trimmer 2 into 100 watts. We will get how much? 7.2 amps. We have to consider 16 amps for raw power. Cable size should be 4 square mm. In this AC power load for bedroom, 1 ton AC equal to 1 into 1400 watts. We will get total load will be 1400 watts into multiplied with 6 to 8.44 amperes. In AC we have to consider 20 amps MCB, the single pole MCB, and the cable size should be the NEC standard 6.0 square mm. Here see, we can see. Thank you friends.